So now, coefficient of linear expansion. Suppose a solid rod of length L heated through temperature delta T and its length increases by delta L. So its length increases like this by delta L. L is this and delta L this. Okay, then from the experiment it is found that increase in length directly proportional to rise in temperature or temperature difference. So we can write delta L proportional to delta T. Now this increase in length depends on how much the rod will increase, length of rod will increase. That will depend first temperature difference, okay, how much temperature we are giving to the, then increase in length also depend original length, delta L depend L. Okay, now if we combine these two equations, this is 1, this is 2, so on combining two factors or two equations, and 2, we get delta L increase in length proportional to L delta T. Okay, or we remove this proportionality sign, so we get delta L equal to alpha L delta T. Increase in length will be equal to alpha L delta T. Okay, so L, if final length becomes total length L plus delta L, so we can also write this L plus delta L equal to alpha L delta T. Okay, or it can be written delta L equal to this is del L dash minus L equal to alpha L delta T, where L dash is the final length. L dash will be L plus delta L. So L dash equal to L plus alpha L delta T. So L we take common, so 1 plus alpha delta T. L dash equal to L dash is final length. L dash now. So where alpha, what is alpha? Alpha is coefficient of linear expansion. And defined as, so alpha equal to, we can write alpha equal to delta L upon L into delta T. So if we take L equal to one, delta T equal to 1, then we can write that coefficient of linear expansion of a rod is defined as increase in length, coefficient of is defined as increase in length per unit length, original length, per degree rise in temperature.